The recording tool contains all of the video recording parameters. File label is the name of the video files recorded. You can enter one name in each video WeldStudio records will have that name plus some numbers, so you don't have to enter a new file name every time. WeldStudio can automatically record a video using one of the selected modes. Off for no automatic recording, photodiode for using the photodiode sensor, histogram to use the software to detect a weld and trigger a recording, trigger to use a trigger input on the camera to initiate a recording. Clicking enabled under the video recording will capture a video when one of the auto modes are selected, or when the record button is pressed on the camera window, or at the top where it says Start. If you have multiple cameras and want to start a recording for all of them at the same time, you can click this green circle, and now for every camera that has video recording enabled, it will record a video all at once when you hit Record or Start under Recording. Checking off Record, Guides, and Tools will do just that, otherwise none of these will be recorded to the video. These settings below all apply to raw image recording. Click Enable to record raw images. Raw images and videos can be recorded simultaneously if both are checked off. Interval will only record frames at the interval entered in seconds. Duration can set how long it will record raw frames for. Duration in frames. Raw image sets are large and can be compressed by checking this off. The frame info displayed on the camera window can be recorded as well if this is checked off. You can select which to be recorded. This does not affect the information currently displayed, only recorded. The font size and color of the recorded video can be independent of the information displayed.